Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Bloc's minimal ratio launcher. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Bloc's ratio launcher was initially available with invite system, but now this can be found on Play Store. If you're not able to find it inside the Play Store, a direct link is given in the description below. You can install it with that given link. And there might be some devices which won't be supporting this application, but still you can give it a try. So here you can see this is the first look of this launcher, which doesn't come with any kind of app drawer. You'll have few drawers like creativity, entertainment, finance, etc. and these are created by launcher itself. But if you want to add any additional app drawer, you can long press this icon towards the right bottom corner, and which will give you options like tile settings, new drawer, focus mode and sun mode. Swiping towards the right hand side, we have this root section where you can add stuff like YouTube, converter, weather, news, etc. And the best part of this section is you have direct control of the applications. Tapping here on the bottom search section, you can search applications, and here you can see under creativity we have applications like photos, gallery. Under entertainment we have stuff like YouTube, Netflix, etc. Under finance you'll see payment applications. Under lifestyle you'll have these shopping applications. Then you have your messaging services. Under mobility, maps and weather. Under productivity we have stuff like Chrome, Google Drive, Assistant. Under social you'll find your social media applications like Instagram, Facebook, etc. and then other applications can be found inside app box. And here we have a simple gesture. You just swipe down, this will close all the drawers. Swiping it again will open up all the drawers. And if you select sun mode, then the entire theme will be changed to white. You can also protect your applications with an app lock feature, and if you have done that using your fingerprint, then you can see that fingerprint icon on that specific application. Under ratio settings, you'll find options like general, tiles and root, from where you can customize your launcher, where you have lots of stuff. And you can also check the wallpapers from ratio. Just tapping on check, open gallery, and these are the few wallpapers which you get it from ratio server. Under tile settings, you get option to edit apps or drawers. Auto categorize option is available here, which will automatically categorize the applications. And you can also take a backup if you're changing the launcher, and later if you want, you can restore the same backup with your similar settings. Under root section, you can see here, these are the options available, which I showed you, like we have added calculator, calendar, converter, Google, news, notes, YouTube and weather. Basically, I was a part of beta program of this launcher, and initially it was available for selected devices like Oneplus 7 series and 8 series. But now it's available for general public. You guys can try out this launcher, and also you guys let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about this launcher. So guys, this was a quick look on Bloc's ratio launcher. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.